Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook fried tofu. This recipe is super easy and tasty. Even if you can cook, you will still be able to learn how to cook it within 3 minutes. And now let's start. First, prepare the tofu and cut it into slices. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the tofu into the pan. Make sure both sides are fried. Take the tofu out from the pan. Now we need to mine some garlic. Chop some scallion. Put the garlic and scallion into the pan. Stir fry a little bit. Put the tofu into the pan again. And now we need to mix the sauce. We need 2 spoons of soy sauce. 1 spoon of vinegar. 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Some sugar. 1 teaspoon of starch and some water. Mix everything well and pour the sauce into the pan. Let it cook for a while. If you like scallion, you can add some extra. Now it is ready. Super easy, right? If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys soon.